Hey guys, Alexi here. I just wanted to share one of the recipes with you that I'm doing this weekend with my barbecue, Weber here. This stuff is really easy to cook, and I thought I'd share this because a lot of people are struggling and they're sick and tired of eating the same stuff over and over. Today I've got some zucchini and I've got some eggplant as well. The recipe is, really quite simple. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of vegetable oil, and a little bit of salt. That's all you need for half an hour for this to basically be marinated. It's really easy to cook. The next thing I've got here is even simpler. It's some sweet potato with some olive oil and a little bit of salt as well. Just leave that like that for half an hour, all ready to go. And another thing I've got here is the sauteed mushrooms. Now this is a bit of an interesting recipe. Soy sauce, a little bit of vegetable oil, and garlic. That's all you really need. Shake it up, leave it in a container for a little bit, usually about half an hour or so, and it's all ready to go. As you can tell, all these recipes have got pretty much the same sort of meals on them. What I'm going to do next is, after I'm going to put that on the barbecue, I've also got some fish here as well. I've got a couple of bits of salmon and a couple of bits of snapper as well. I will put that on top of the vegetables so it doesn't burn. That's one of my tips for many people who basically having trouble cooking fish on the barbecue. Otherwise the whole thing burns and falls apart. Anyway, yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we'll start with zucchini and eggplant. All this stuff is really nice and juicy. Make sure that your barbecue is nice and hot. With a Weber, that's the only way to cook it. Once you get it really hot, probably turn it down to about halfway, because for veggies and fish it might be just a tad too hot. So I'm just going to lay it all in a line. I'm going to pour all this lovely juice on top of that. Alright, the next thing is going to be the sweet potato. I'm just going to chuck that around. Oil I'm going to leave because otherwise it's going to catch fire. And last thing here out of the veggies is the mushrooms. So I'm going to spread that everywhere I can. And now the fish. As I said, the fish is going to go on top of the veggies, and this is the way to make sure it doesn't burn to crisp, unless you actually want that crispy. So I've got snapper on one side and I've got salmon on the other. So I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm going to turn some of these vegetables over, fish over, and give it another 5-7 minutes all up, and then let it simmer and it should be all rock and roll. So guys, as you can see, it's quite easy to make some delicious barbecue meals. All you really need is olive oil or vegetable oil, salt, and garlic. They're the main ingredients for the vegetables. Particularly good if you're a vegan, because a lot of the time, it's all about meat, and meat is easy to cook. You just chuck it on the barbie and make sure the temperature's right. So yeah guys, I hope you like the content. Please comment below if you got any other suggestions that we could potentially cook. And yeah, feel free to share this video and subscribe to our channel.